just finished connecting it on my phone. I will still show you guys how I did it. Don't worry. Hi guys, welcome back again to another beautiful video. So today I have something special. Yeah, I know this is one of the dreams of every content creator, to have something that will enhance your content creation, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I got it from AliExpress. Okay, I have to be honest with you guys, the very first time that I got Type-C, it was so difficult for me to connect it to my phone. Oh my god, I was actually thinking that you need a Bluetooth, but I heard that there's some wireless mic that you get, and definitely you need a Bluetooth to connect it. I don't know, but this particular one that I got, very easy. Like, I recommend it for every content creator. So I'll go on now and connect it on my phone. Let's see the difference in using mic and when I am not using mic. Remember that I'm filming this with my back camera, so I'll go on now and connect this on my phone. Let's see how the sound is. Okay, so I just finished connecting it on my phone. I will still show you guys how I did it. Don't worry. So here is it, and you plug it. So this is me now using the mic. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think there's any difference from how I've been talking? And yeah, let me know what you think down there. I'm also going to shift from the camera. You also tell me how the sound is. Okay, so I just shifted from the camera. This is my voice outside the camera. I'm going to show you guys how I connected it on my phone. Don't forget that this is for iPhone users. Okay, but I'm going to be using my Android because I'm using the iPhone to make this video now. All right, so when you get your Android, we have for the Type-C and we have for the iPhone. Look at it. Okay, once you order, you check very well the one that you're ordering for yourself. So this one is meant for the iPhone users. If you're a Type-C user, you order for the Type-C. It's the same way of a connection. So when you get your iPhone, you plug it here. This is the receiver. You plug it here. Immediately you plug it here, there's going to be a red light here. A red light here. This small hole that is here, there's going to be a red light. Then the next thing you're going to do, immediately you connect it, is you get the mic, you on it. Okay, I'm trying to on it. 1 minute. Okay, maybe it's not possible. Okay, wait. Okay, once you on it, we see it's blinking. If you see that it's connected, this blink is going to stop. Do you get it? You see, if I connect this thing now, this blinking is going to stand still. So once this thing is still, the green color is still, then this place is connected. Remember, it has to be red here by the side. It has to be red, and you are good to go. That is how to connect your mic. Very easy. So if you have been finding it difficult to connect your mic, I'm going to recommend this particular one for you. This is so amazing. Okay, beautiful. This is it here. This is it. We have this one for Type-C and for iPhone. So I ordered for iPhone because I already have for Type-C. I actually ordered one to check if it is going to work very well for me. So this one is 1x2. Okay, this one is 1, and this one is 1x1, 1x2. Okay, depending on the one that you want. All right, so go on and give it a try. You can ask me your questions if you don't get it down there on the comment section. Remember that it came with, though it's not here, what you can use to charge your phone. Let's say you are making video and your battery is already running down. You can, use that to plug it here. Then you put it in this thing, your phone will start charging. All right, so that is how to connect your wireless mic. Okay.